System, kanto ka mo dito. Itsura nyo kung gusto nyo.
Okay, so once again, aton sa entries, Dapulaza, harapan ng presensya ni the owner by Vice Mayor o si Dodoy Dapulaza of Maayon, Capiz. And of course, C-Star Entertainment Concept, ang presensya ni Manong Bongbong Palma of Passery. And of course, DVBC Pro Audio from Tingkawan. Si Manalo Soundtrack, ang presensya sa family Pinhira from Garita, San Enrique, Iloilo. And of course, the Mayans of Nagao, ang presensya sa MRM Group, ay ang Mark Susan, and Jonathan Lim Boniface. And so, Dennis Patriarca, and of course, sa pagpapagawa sa tutunan ng industrial, siya hindi magpagawa. And the last is Akira Audio Promo of the Batangas, Iloilo. Pagpapagawa, the Dundee Boy, DJ Windsor. Ito na ito po,
And of course, Panay Ixla. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, we would like to say thank you. Kimaras, Michael Pacalinon, Dennis Abong, and of course, Captain Sam Kior of Dimayans, and Mr. Rafi Montañez of Denden Dress.
Kamangin pasintablit ang aton sini kapanggahiwan sa Mascara Sound Expo 2025.
Kami liwan sa hoodie.
Hindi wala pa.
Attention, Western Visayas.
Prepare for an unprecedented auditory experience.
Something big is coming. Something 2025.
A groundbreaking event dominating the Baywalk Recreation.
Featuring the best and the brightest from Panay and Negros. And for all music sound entry.